Today we're at the property of Neil and Sue Davis, south of Birchip here in the Southern Mallee. On their 1,500 hectare farm they run a mainly cropping operation, and today we're going to look at their journey through the Internet of Things trial and in particular the types of devices they've connected to the LoRa network.
We're Neil and Sue Davis. We farm on 1,500 hectares of heavy soils, 10 k's south of Birchip at Moreton Plains. So we're on the flat Birchip Plains country. We're currently growing main crops, probably canola, wheat, lentils and a little bit of barley. On the farm now we've got 4 rain gauges working on lower end. We've got 1 weather station working on lower end. We've got another weather station which incorporates a temperature inversion tower. It's actually working on the 4G network. We've got 2 security monitoring systems on 2 shed locations, and that is working off 4G. We've got a lower end gateway on the property, so the coverage from the lower end is quite good. The temperature inversion tower has been fairly useful. It's certainly saying that there is an inversion situation when I was pretty sure there wasn't. It's going to change our spray timing probably markedly into the future. As far as the trial went, I think we're really surprised how involved we became with connectivity and the benefits that flowed from it, which we really didn't expect. It was certainly a challenge getting our heads around the range of products available, and the connectivity, especially lower end, took a lot of getting to grips with what it was and how it was going to work. Yeah. It's been a very enjoyable process, hasn't it?
It is. For farmers looking at installing IoT devices, I suggest you talk to your neighbours and see how beneficial that is. You really have to do a lot of research to see what's available and apply it to your farm. And certainly it's been very helpful to us as far as peace of mind and current rainfall and just having information at your fingertips. The exciting thing about information technology is that it really does make your life a lot easier, and you have a lot more information at your fingertips. Yeah, it is interesting, and you use it far more than you think you would, really. Every 5 minutes you're on the phone wondering what the wind speed's like, or what the temperature's like, or how much rain you've had. And you use it a lot.
Look, AgTech is, it takes a bit of keeping on top of. If you look at sprayer cameras and things like that, it takes a bit of getting your head around what's going to be useful and where the price point is. So it is a bit of a challenge, especially for older folks to get a grasp of AgTech developments and fit them into your operation.
I can see that it's going to make life a lot easier for farmers, and we don't run livestock, but there is a lot of applications there for livestock farmers and that they could make use of. It's moving really quickly, and you really do have to look into it, study it, be interested, and just to keep up with what's available.
I think we spent $23,000 was the cost of the installation, and I think that's money pretty well spent.
If we see something that would be beneficial, we would go ahead and install it.